I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the wireless adapter and controller ready because this method relies on native Xbox wireless, not Bluetooth. Plug the Xbox wireless adapter into a USB 2.0/3 0 port. Windows should detect it. Once done, power on your Xbox controller with the Xbox button. Make sure batteries are good or battery pack charged. You do this first so pairing is consistent and latency-free. It avoids the limitations of generic Bluetooth connections and preserves full controller features like rumble and low latency. You now pair the controller. Press the small button on the adapter until its LED flashes, then press and hold the controller's pair button until the Xbox button pulses. They'll connect. Make sure Windows finishes installing drivers. Watch the notification or device manager. Driver install can take up to a minute. Once paired, the controller's light stays steady. You do this so Windows recognizes the controller as an Xbox device, enabling firmware updates and full feature support. Don't skip driver confirmation. You finish by verifying and updating. Open the Xbox Accessories app from the Microsoft Store to check firmware and apply updates. This resolves many odd behaviors. Then test the controller in Windows game controllers or launch a game to confirm buttons, sticks, triggers, and vibration work. If things go wrong, replug the adapter into a different USB port and repair. Make sure batteries are charged and no other adapters are conflicting. This quick troubleshooting step fixes most connection or driver issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.